In this video, I'm going to show you my new material design UI kit. So this UI kit is composed of 40 material screens, and as you can see, these screens are all using different themes and colors, and you can literally modify the entire colors, typography, and also the symbols via this symbols page on the left. So as you can see, it's divided into 3 sections, and I tried to keep it very simple. So the first section is the colors, and here you're going to see all the main colors used in the UI kit. And it's very easy to change them. You can simply go over here, and you can click one or select multiple, and you can literally go and change the color. And once you're happy with the color you choose, you simply have to click on the refresh button, and as you can see, the symbols of the headers are updated, and the whole UI kit is going to update accordingly, so that you're going to see the new colors adapted in just a few seconds. And this can be very, very useful. And on to the next part, which are the textiles. As you can see, we're having all the textiles into this document. So if, for example, you want to change the heading fonts and color, maybe you want it to be in a different color or in a different font or size, you can simply click on the refresh over here once you select it, and the whole UI kit is going to update accordingly. And this is very useful because it allows you to make bulk changes in literally just a few seconds. And the first section, it's about the symbols. So you're going to see that I used a main header, which is basically the base for all the headers. So if I change this, all the other headers are going to adapt accordingly. And we have also the headers of the different UI kits. And I also included call to action buttons and a toggle, and also the icons, so that you can make changes very, very quickly, and using a UI kit which is very flexible and adaptable for your personal needs. So this is it. And on top of that, I'd like to remind you that all the screens and the elements are resizable, so that you can literally adapt them how you want. And you can change elements in literally just a few clicks and adapt it to different layouts. So this is it for this video. If you have any questions, you can reach me at my website, pierluigigilio.com, or at my email, which is gigliopierluigi@gmail.com. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.